Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Digulwani with Banking, Insurance and Financial Services. Now, as we have started with chapter number 2, e-banking, our today's topic is credit card. What is credit card? Let us understand. A credit card is a thin rectangular slab of plastic or metal issued by a financial company that lets cardholders borrow funds with which to pay for goods and services. See, it's a one kind of card. In short, we can say that it's a one kind of card which is provided by financial company. Financial company, that means which is provided by bank. Mostly it is used by the banks, or you can say that it is issued by the banks. Other financial institute are also providing it. Those who are गिविंग द मनी इनटू द मार्केट, वो लोग भी इसको प्रोवाइड करते हैं, बट मेजोरिटी बैंक्स आर इशूइंग दिस क्रेडिट कार्ड टू देयर कस्टमर्स. बट दिस माइंड वेल नॉट अ कंपल्सन टू परचेज दिस क्रेडिट कार्ड. Actually, this credit card imposes the condition that card holders pay back the borrowed money plus interest as well as any additional agreed upon charges. Means suppose right now you don't have money with you, and if you are going for shopping, तो you can use this credit card. Suppose अगर आज आपने शॉपिंग किया है तो इसका पैसा आप 1 महीने के बाद पे कर सकते हो. This is what one borrowing facility which is given by the banks. But whatever money you are borrowing from the bank, on that you have to pay certain interest as well as money. And sometimes if certain additional charges are there, then also it is to be paid by you if you have your credit card. But see, this is a optional card. It is not a compulsory card that you have to purchase or take from the bank. Now, a question must arise in your mind that how much money we can borrow from the bank. तो see, always there is a limit of this credit card. ये credit card की always एक limit होती है which is decided by the banks or by the financial institute. वो लोग खुद ही वहाँ पर decide करते हैं that you can use this much of the money from this card. You cannot exceed limit of that card. आप खुद उसको exceed नहीं कर सकते हो. Now, if you want to extend it, if you want to extend that limit, then everything is dependent on the permission of bank. आपने पहली बार में ही बोल दिया कि मुझे 1 लाख की लिमिट चाहिए, then it is not permissible by the. Firstly, they will check all your transaction, they will check your past records also from the other banks, and then they will allow you whether they want to give you permission of this credit card or not. So everything is dependent on your past record, that how you are conducting different transaction with the bank. See, majority of the business customer make the purchase with credit cards. अभी ज़्यादातर लोग इसका use करते हैं, which remain one of the today's most popular payment methodology for buying consumer goods and services. Right now it is very popular, but see, if you use it effectively, then it is a blessing. But if you use it destructively, then you will be in the major losses. So, credit card should be used carefully. Now, let us see the advantages of the credit card. Under that, number 1, purchasing power. Credit cards enables user to make a big ticket purchase they might not otherwise be able to afford. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि उन लोगों को खरीदना होता है कस्टमर को कोई भी चीज़ें, but right now if they don't have availability of the money, then this credit card gives them the purchasing power to purchase certain things. Number 2, rewards. Many cards offer rewards program that will accrue points, discounts or other benefits like frequent flyer miles. मतलब आप अगर decided amount तक चीज़ें खरीदते हो through credit cards, then as we have said in debit card also, you will get certain rewards point. Point मतलब suppose take for example 100 से ज़्यादा अगर आपके पॉइंट हुए तो दे आर गिविंग सर्टेन कैशबैक रिटर्न. अभी 100 के ऊपर कितना पैसा काउंट करते हैं वो उसके ऊपर ही गिविंग दिस कैश और डिस्काउंट बैक इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मनी. नेक्स्ट इज convenience. Credit cards reduce the need to carry cash. Most retailers accept credit cards and they are pretty much required for online purchases. क्रेडिट कार्ड अगर आप साथ में लेके जाते हो तो आपको कैश साथ में लेके जाने की कोई भी टेंशन नहीं होती है. और nowadays after we can say that as our prime minister introduces the नोटबंदी, तो afterwards most of the retailers, wholesalers are keeping with them the facility of the machine in which you can go with your credit card or with your debit card, or whenever you want to do online purchases. So these are the convenient, you can say that, to purchase your goods and services. Then tractability. The electronic record keeping that comes with the credit card make it easy to track your spending and identify your fraud. आपके क्रेडिट कार्ड में है ट्रैकिंग की फैसिलिटी होती है. nowadays it is available, and as you lost your card directly you can stop the facilities of that card also. So nowadays tractability is there, so you can save yourself from the frauds. Use during an emergency. See, there are times when money is the simple solution to an emergency. If you get hit with an unexpected expenses, then credit cards can be the quick and easy solution for you. Suppose if there is any medical emergency, and if at that time you don't have cash available with you, then you can use your credit card. Then builds credit history. Responsible use of credit card over time builds your credit history, qualifying it is useful for the better interest rates or for the financial benefits. See, as I said that जैसे ही आप उसका यूज़ इफेक्टिवली करोगे then it is a blessing, but if you use it worstly then it will make a huge losses to you. So it builds credit history. अगर आप अच्छे से उसको यूज़ करते हो तो आपकी क्रेडिट हिस्ट्री अच्छी होती है, and later on they extend your ट्रांजेक्शन फैसिलिटी ऑल्सो. 60,000 से 1,00,000 का भी एक्सटेंशन मिल सकता है, 1,00,000 से ज़्यादा का भी एक्सटेंशन मिल सकता है. एक्सटेंशन दैट मीन्स यू कैन बोरो मनी फॉर मोर टाइम पीरियड और फॉर मोर, यू कैन से दैट मनी. 60,000 से 1,00,000, 1,00,000 से 1,50,000 आपका कैपेसिटी वो लोग इन शॉर्ट इंक्रीज करते हैं. तो दिस आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ क्रेडिट कार्ड. Next is disadvantages of credit card. Now there are certain disadvantages also, as I said that if you use it worstly or if you are not using it properly then it is going to give you certain disadvantages. So under that, number one is overspending. See, credit cards can make life easier, but they can also make overspending easier as well. ज़्यादा अगर स्पेंड करोगे और आपके पास फिर बाद में पैसा पे करने के लिए नहीं है then it will be lead to you unexpected debt. क्योंकि वो पैसा आपको 1 महीने के बाद तो रिटर्न करना ही होता है ऑन द डिसाइडेड डेट बाय यू एंड बाय द बैंक. तो जो भी पैसा आप लोगे अगर आपने स्पेंड कर दिया एंड लेटर ऑन इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी कैपेसिटी टू पे इट बैक then as I said that it will lead to unexpected debt. Then number 2, interest and fees. Using credit card is essentially borrowing and you are not borrowing for free. माइंड वेल, आपको कोई भी चीज़ें फ्री में नहीं मिलती हैं. अ क्रेडिट कार्ड कैन लीड नॉट ओनली टू हाई बैलेंस और मैक्सड आउट कार्ड बट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू पे सर्टेन फीस ऑन इट. मुफ्त में कोई भी चीज़ें बैंक आपको नहीं देता है. जो भी आप बोरोइंग्स उनसे लोगे ऑन दैट यू हैव टू पे सर्टेन इंटरेस्ट ऑल्सो. फ्रॉड. See, credit cards and other electronic forms of payment carry unique dangers. Credit card can be stolen, their number can be copied and there can be used to steal your money and identity also. So nowadays because of the new advanced technology there are chances of fraud also with your credit card. So mind well while you are using this credit card facility. Mounting debt. Number 4 is credit कार्ड फ्रॉम मंथ टू मंथ. आप हर महीने अगर उसमें क्रेडिट कैरी करते जाते हो एंड इफ़ यू आर नॉट पेइंग योर मनी बैक एज वेल एज चार्जेस बैक then you are just mounting your debt. मतलब आप उधार का पहाड़ चढ़ाते ही जा रहे हो. So you have to take care while you are using your credit card. जितनी भी debt है वो आपको time to time pay करती ही जानी है. So these are the disadvantages of credit card. Our today's new topic is mobile banking. What is mobile banking? Let us see. Mobile banking has simplified the lives of many people and given them the option to send money, receive money, check account balance, pay bill, etc. using their mobile phone only. And the best part is that banks offer mobile banking services for free. आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ आपके मोबाइल में उसकी एक एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर लेना है. जो भी बैंक का अकाउंट आपके पास है, जो भी बैंक का अकाउंट है उसका एप्लीकेशन इज़ ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट नाउ. हर एक बैंक प्रोवाइड करती है. यू हैव टू डाउनलोड इट एंड आफ्टर डाउनलोडिंग इट दे विल टेल यू टू just set certain passwords. After setting your password, you can use your application free of cost. यूज़ ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इज़ फ्री. उसके ऊपर कोई भी चार्जेस नहीं लगते हैं. अब इसमें से आप क्या चेक कर सकते हो? यू कैन सेंड मनी. आपको किसी को पैसा भेजना हो तो भेज सकते हो. यू कैन रिसीव मनी, पैसा ले भी सकते हो. यू कैन चेक योर अकाउंट बैलेंस. यू कैन पे योर बिल्स. यू कैन डू सो मैनी एक्टिविटीज़ इफ़ यू आर हैविंग sufficient amount into your bank account. So you can say that nowadays this mobile banking is a blessing for the customers. Then there are different functions of mobile banking. मोबाइल बैंकिंग के थोड़े फंक्शंस हैं, फटाफट से इसको हम चेक कर लेते हैं. अंडर दैट नंबर 1, अकाउंट एक्सेस. सी कस्टमर्स कैन इजीली एक्सेस देयर बैंक अकाउंट यूजिंग देयर स्मार्टफोन बाय, एज आई सेड, डाउनलोडिंग द मोबाइल बैंकिंग. ऑल दे नीड इज टू यूज ओनली द ID and password to access their account. They can carry out different banking transaction. आप अलग अलग बैंकिंग ट्रांजेक्शन यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. सिर्फ आपको वहाँ पे मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करना है, ID एंड पासवर्ड सेट करना है. Number 2 is balance inquiry. One of the main reasons why people used to visit the bank was to keep their passbook updated so that they always knew their current balance. But when the balance inquiry service was offered through ATM, people started using it instead of visiting the bank. पहले लोग ब्रांच में जाते थे अपना पैसा जानने के लिए. फिर जैसे ही ATM सर्विसेज अवेलेबल हुआ मार्केट में, people used to visit ATM and now it is even more convenient to check account balance using mobile banking. सिर्फ आपको आपकी एप्लीकेशन खोलना है with ID पासवर्ड. उसमें बैंक स्टेटमेंट लिखा होता है, बैलेंस भी लिखा होता है. Directly you can check your balance. Then e-passbook. Some banks offer a separate digital passbook mobile app that customers can download to check their previous transaction and the latest account balance, while others just have these services as a part of their main mobile banking. So there is no need to visit a bank or ATM for balance inquiry or account statement. E-passbook is provided by some of the banks, digital e-passbook. So directly you can check and download that e-passbook. Account statement. If you want to check your bank account statement, you no longer need to go to the bank or ATM, since you can get the statement on the mobile application of your bank. There are only a few ATM transactions available for everyone these days. It is better to avail them only for cash withdrawals. Account balance or account statement should be checked using the mobile app. You can also download your PDF format also to save into your phone. Account statement देखने हैं तो ATM में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बैंक में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सिर्फ अगर आपको कैश विड्रॉ करना हो तो ही आप बैंक में जाओ. बाकी अदर फैसिलिटीज़ आर directly available in the mobile banking. Next is ATM locator. When you are in a new city or area, you might want to withdraw cash from an ATM. The easiest way to find an ATM of your bank is to open your mobile banking app and go to the ATM locator. You will be able to find the address and the exact location of the ATM within your fractions of time. आपको अगर कहीं बाहर सिटी में गए हो और आपको पैसा विड्रॉ करना है तो क्या करना है, आपके मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन में जाओ एंड गो टू द ATM लोकेटर. डायरेक्टली इट विल शो यू द एड्रेस एंड द लोकेशन ऑफ द ATM. Request. Then there is no need to visit the bank to request a checkbook, new debit card, credit card, duplicate debit card, etc. because you can do it easily using the mobile app. वहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शंस दिए होते हैं दैट फॉर विच यू वांट टू गिव योर एप्लीकेशन. तो डायरेक्टली यू कैन मेक द रिक्वेस्ट फॉर योर डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड, चेकबुक फॉर एनीथिंग. Most of the bank also offer the services to block a debit card or credit card in case of loss or theft. अगर आपको वहाँ पे आपका क्रेडिट कार्ड या डेबिट कार्ड गुम गया है तो आप डायरेक्टली उसमें से ब्लॉक भी आपका अकाउंट कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट इज फंड ट्रांसफ़र. If internet banking and mobile banking have made the life of the people easier, it is mainly because of this service only. People can now transfer money from their bank account to an account in their own bank account or to another bank account easily. कहीं से भी एक अकाउंट से दूसरे अकाउंट में आप पैसा इजीली ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हो. They may have to pay a nominal charges as I have discussed previously also to carry out interbank transfers. एक बैंक से दूसरे बैंक में अगर आपको पैसा ट्रांसफ़र करना है which is known as intra bank transfer. तो for that you have to pay nominal charges only. Then next is bill payment. Mobile banking has made it easy to pay our mobile, credit card और utility bills. मतलब कोई भी जो आपको बिल पे करना है आप इजीली इसके थ्रू पे कर सकते हो. यू कैन इवन शेड्यूल पेमेंट ऑन अ सर्टेन डे ऑफ सर्टेन मंथ सो दैट यू डू नॉट हैव टू वरी अबाउट दी पेमेंट्स. आप उसमें शेड्यूल्स भी बना सकते हो ताकि आपको उतना टेंशन रहे नहीं. देन नेक्स्ट इज ब्रांच लोकेटर. If you are in a new city or area, you may need to find a branch, your bank, then you can easily use the mobile banking app to find it. Most banks have a branch locator that you can use to find out the nearest branch. As I said that ATM में भी जैसे आप वहाँ पे नियर बाई ATM कहाँ पे है तो आप ATM लोकेटर फाइंड कर सकते हो. In the same way here you can find out your branch locator also. मोबाइल ऐप खोलो तो आपको उसमें दिखाई देगा where is your branch अवेलेबल इन अ पर्टिकुलर सिटी. कोई अननोन सिटी में जाते हो तो वहाँ पे आपको ब्रांच लोकेटर में क्लिक करोगे तो यू विल बी एबल टू सी द ब्रांच एड्रेस एंड लोकेशन. सो हियर वी आर कंक्लूडिंग विद द मोबाइल बैंकिंग एज वेल एज विद द क्रेडिट कार्ड. In the next video we will go with the next topic. So till then stay tuned. Goodbye.